Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking for a powerful yet energy-efficient way to cool and heat your space all year round, the Albott 12,000 BTU Mini Split AC is a smart and modern solution worth checking out. Right away, what makes this stand out is the dual heating and cooling system. It works as both an air conditioner and a heat pump, so you can stay cool in summer and warm in winter without needing separate units. The 12,000 BTU capacity is ideal for rooms up to around 750 square feet, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or office spaces. It's designed to quickly stabilize temperature and keep it consistent throughout the day. Efficiency is a big win here. With SEER218 Inverter Technology, it adjusts power usage based on your needs instead of constantly running at full speed, helping reduce electricity costs while keeping performance smooth and steady. You also get smart control features. With app connectivity and a remote, you can adjust temperature, modes, and schedules easily without getting up, adding convenience to daily use. Another great feature is the self-cleaning function. It helps remove dust buildup inside the unit, improving air quality and reducing maintenance over time. In real use, mini-split systems like this are known for quiet operation and better airflow compared to traditional window units, making them great for bedrooms or workspaces. Overall, the Albott Mini Split AC is all about efficient performance, smart control, and year-round comfort in a clean, wall-mounted design. Click the link below for the best price.